AutoCAD. Everything what you want you can draw at here. Okay, for example, and then open you can get, and then open you can identify export, and then okay this one, yeah. No, this one is not okay, not a fine. Okay, here. Okay, see? Okay. And 0 H and Y 0. Okay, here. This one is 0 H and Y 0. Okay. Firstly, go to toolpaths, select here, and then go to toolpaths, machine profile, and then okay. No, that is inside. See? Okay, very well. Okay, select here, and then toolpaths again. Okay, this my output. Okay. Okay. Then toolpaths. Select all select, and then toolpaths output. Yeah. You can get name on here. Có ký chịu. This is my file name, and this USB stick. Okay, see. So I got it. Thank you.